Record. Okay, this is I'm showing how to make Office, Google Office, that is Google Drive. So first what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. You have to check whether you already signed in your Google account or not. Okay, better to go to Google. So type Google here, press enter. You go to Google search engine, it will be better for you. My net is slow, system is only slow. Once you go to Google, you see this 9 dots. Click here and go to Google Drive. So once you go in Google Drive, you will get a page, Google Drive. I'll just show only one question how to do. Other questions you can do by yourself later. So let's see. Once your Google Drive comes, takes time here for my system. These are already done projects.
No. No.
Sorry, it is taking more time. Let me see.
No.
Okay, now it's ready. What do you do? Right
Yeah.
click. Okay. So wait. Once you are in Google Drive, right click and go to more options and go to Google Forms. Okay, once you are there, go to more option, go to Google Forms. So this is the form which I show you only multiple choice question. These are the 3 settings. Okay. This is preview how your form questionnaire will look afterwards. This is the background which we don't want now. Very important is for quiz, this setting. Go to setting. In general setting, if you want to collect the mails from your responses, click here. You can limit the response for one also. Otherwise, the student can send more than one response to get the full marks. But for right, let it be for right now. We'll just say collect email addresses, nothing else. Presentation. Shuffle question order means it will shuffle the question orders for different students. Very important is quiz. Make the quiz. Click on this and make it active and save it. Save this. Once saved, you can give the name of your untitled form. I'll just show only one question. Say my India. If you want your email address, you can say. Now let us give the first question. The capital of India. Let's make this India I capital. Some respect to your country. Okay, the capital of India, since this is Google, he knows the answer. You can add your own options here. Let's say Kolkata. The second option is Delhi. Third option is Panji. Okay, like this you can add on options. So say one more option you can add Goa, and add other means this is the place where he can answer anything what he thinks if the options are not there. Now here is the answer key. You have to click here. Once in answer key, you know the answer correct is Delhi, so click your answer Delhi. And depending on points, usually I give 1, you can give 2 points, and say done. Okay, once this is done, you have to send it. For sending, what I do, click on send, click on this link, copy this link. Okay, and once you copy this link, you just go to your, what I do, you go to your email account or any other account, and you can share this link through Gmail also. I'll just show sharing through Gmail. Once on Gmail, you can take it on your mobile, and also Facebook, different methods are there. And then you can share this, and you will see you can share it with your students. That's all. This is the preview. We'll see how our form looks. See, it should be a valid email ID. Once you write, you submit. You can view your score also. Total points 1 out of 1. Got? So that's all.